Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Tommy, Trucking & Co, baby. We are back. We're back. Now, before I show you guys what's behind my hand, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. But here we go. We got everything painted, guys. Looking pretty good. This looks a little weird right now. For some reason, the weather decided to hit 60, so that's like damping over. That's been hit with the torch, so that's pretty good. So make sure y'all tune into the last video so you can see what was going on to get us to this point. So this video is going to be laying down the white paint, guys. I am hype. I'm very hype on this because, as you guys know, if you've been watching, this has been a long process and we are finally getting down to the paint. Then we get down on that hunk of stuff right there. But yeah, we're not going to waste any time today, guys, in this video. We're going to get straight to painting. Hopefully we get straight to painting. Yeah, we got to take all this plastic off, lay it down so we can cover up all of that so we don't get white paint on that, because God forbid we do that and I have to respray everything. So yeah, I'm going to get to work. Oh. Alright, guys, pretty sure I used some Dollar General masking tape. Not too worried about it though, to be honest. But yeah, guys, that turned out pretty good. The way I taped it was because when I put, like, I didn't want the black to show with the cowl on, and so it gives us a good reason to do this white, even though we probably could have done it black and been fine. Rather be safe than sorry. You shouldn't see that behind the cowl, but if you do, you know, we should probably just check. Dude, we're pretty good. I'm not sorry about that, honestly. But yeah, it looks really good in there. Can't really see, but that's the point. And then there's a little spot over there, but yeah, it's for an eyeball. Like, I didn't put this on before we laid that tape line down, but now you guys can see what I'm talking about. We wouldn't have been okay if we did that black. So yeah, just want to show you guys that real quick. All right, got everything laid down, guys. Shouldn't get any paint on everything, hopefully, but we'll see. So I guess we're gonna get right into it. Laying down some tape so we can keep what we freshly painted already all good and nice. Not have to worry about nothing. But what is that? Hold on now. I am gonna still hit it with the torch even though it's not that cold out, but I just kind of want the metal to be more warm than cold, if that makes any sense, because I just want it to stick as best as possible, because these are not ideal conditions. Maybe one day I'll have me a little paint booth, but y'all know that ain't the day. And we got to get stuff done no matter what. And I don't usually do this, but today's a different day. Just using the whole thing of tape because it's gonna be easier than doing a bunch of separate ones. As of this recording, you guys are absolutely slaying on the last video, which I definitely appreciate because it gives me motivation to keep doing this. I'm not sure if I've announced what we're giving away or not, but we will in this video right here, right now, because it's lit. I mean, I'm doing a t-shirt and a sticker pack for number one. The number one giveaway winner, because we're gonna do a couple. So you get to pick the color and the size, and I'm having trouble here. You get to pick the color and the size. I'll send you the design, or I'll post the design in the video when we hit 500. So I'm not gonna do it now yet because it's still a surprise. But and I'll give you a sticker pack, some new stickers in this giveaway as well. But in order to win, we got to get to 500. Second place, you might get a t-shirt. We'll figure it out. And then third place, sticker pack, guys. Last giveaway, we only had like 5 people enter, and I sent all 5 people something just because, hey, they supporting me, so we're gonna support. Y'all support me, I'm gonna support y'all, man. No matter what. Y'all building a brand, y'all are building trucks, like anything, because I'm kind of doing both myself. Be sure to stay tuned with everything, updates on the channel and whatnot. We will be cranking them out left and right. You guys, drop down below what you drive in the comments, or what you're building, your winter project or anything, because I'm interested to know whether it's a mini truck, any type of truck, full size, stance car, it don't matter. It's all the same passion. So I'd like to know what y'all drive. If you want to drop it down in the comments below. And I guess let's get painting. Alright guys, don't mind this. I got that up right now. I am nervous, excited, all of the above. We have no time to waste. We're just gonna start painting. What's the worst that can happen? First layer of white is done. I'm dying. That respirator's hot, but not too bad. I guess it's kind of hard to tell just because, let's turn this light off. Where's the switch? All right, guys, hold on. Now I've looked at the light too long. All right, cool. It's kind of hard to tell just because we've been so used to seeing it primered, but it is white. First layer done. No core support. There's the difference right there. That the core support, white. So while this may be a long process and it may not be perfect, we are getting it done. That is what matters. So I gotta let that dry. Thankfully, like I said, it's warm out here. I'm just wearing this to help with the respirator on. But yeah, let's let that dry. Alright guys, we are done with coat number 2. It is looking pretty good. Let's cut that on. Get a little shot from up here. It is turning out pretty good. I know once we lay that clear, it is gonna pop. But yeah, so started laying down some on the core support and whatnot. The good demonstration is, like, you look right here, you can see a clear view of it. And same with that. Yeah, guys, that's fresh paint right there. It's looking pretty good. Obviously not perfect. Like, where can I show y'all an imperfection? I think I just did one right here. Yeah, of course, right? But I think it's because I was spraying up into there. So we'll fix that once we're a little bit further on in the process. So yeah, obviously you guys know the drill. Just wanted to show y'all the process and steps through this. I didn't really do it on the frame rails or the primer or anything because the second coat is the same as the first, but now we're laying down real paint and we're getting it done. So yeah, guys, I'll update you guys along the process. So see you then. All right, guys, it is the next day. We did another coat last night, looking pretty good. I think I'm gonna do another one, but I want to start the trucks up. They haven't ran in a while, so let's get to it. we got clear coat drying. I haven't updated anybody on the hood. Hood's scuffed up. My hood is shot, like in all reality. It is pretty bad, so eventually I'm gonna get a new one, but I'm not gonna leave that red because I'm not getting a new one right now, but we will be. So we're still gonna put it on. But guys, I have a killer idea on this. Okay, hear me out. We do this white, obviously. Same thing we've been doing on the truck, but do some old school 80s, 90s mini truck graphics on it. Like some tribal stuff, a bunch of different colors. Drop down in the comments. If you have any ideas on colors, I'm thinking like something along the lines of like teal, purple, some stuff like that. And I know I showed you guys this already, but this fix right here, this pipe, I had done this not too long ago because there was a muffler there and it broke on this side, broke on that side. It was literally just sitting inside the pipe. I kicked it, muffler fell off. This thing fought pretty good. Now that that's not gonna be on, I'm very happy because it sounded terrible. But let's go check this out real quick. Finally starting to get some shine to it, which I'm very, very excited about. It's being weird right there. I had to do more white, so I don't know. Who cares? But yeah, guys, it is looking pretty good so far. I was gonna do some graphics in here, but like, here's the thing about the hood. If I do the graphics in there, like that's permanent, you know what I'm saying, for a long time. And I kind of still want to go for that clean, like almost OEM look under the hood, but like, obviously, I don't want it to be too basic. I mean, look at the back of this thing, like, besides the junk, but, you know, the blue, which eventually will get redone. I mean, as you can tell, like, truck's got rust. But y'all knew that because we went over that. But that's going to be fire. And then once all this is done, guys, and I know we got a long time before we get there, then we're going to start doing some body work on this thing, trying to get it right because y'all know about that. But we're getting there one day at a time. That's all we can do. But I'm not really going to show too much of the hood until we get to the graphics. So definitely want to show you guys that. But I have to do the core support. So next time you guys will see this engine bay in like 2 seconds, but it'll be done. I'm just gonna show y'all what we got going on. All right, so we got like a storm coming in. You know, I always record with the bad weather. So I got the door blocked up because it keeps blowing open. And the wind, they were talking about it's blowing like 60, which is pretty insane. And every time that blows open, you know, the truck's wrapped in plastic. Thankfully, the bay is done. It is very dirty. This is not good to show y'all. Very dirty because this blew open twice. And when it blows up, like my engine completely uncovered. But I checked it and there's nothing wrong. And then I was standing here trying to rig my stuff up. Door blows open, hits me. So then I got my trash can out there. My trash can lid's a little hurt. I got my grill right there. And of course, when I pop the camera out, it's not bad. Like, look at the fence over there, bro. It's starting to rain now. My light pole is hurting, y'all. Like, look at that. It's hurting. And you can't really tell right now. I guess the gusts aren't bad, but oh my god, clutch fan, bro. But then we ain't running no clutch fan no more. But as you guys just saw in the cinematic clips, this fine thing right here looks amazing. What is going on there? Oh, I was tripping because there's like a hump right there, so it looks like all weird. But I know y'all heard that. I know y'all heard that door. We're gonna go ahead and rip off some of this stuff, tape wise, get started in this video just so I can show you guys. So let's get to it. We're gonna cut this loose. Now this thing is ratchet. The windshield wiper motor, this thing was looking rough. Not gonna lie. But thankfully, I think we got fucking primer. We got primer. Guys, this is not good. Why didn't I think of this? I know y'all see it right there. Thankfully, we know what we're doing, and we can fix it. Does suck pretty bad. I guess it's not the end of the world. Let's move on to the next. By the next time, you'll see the... Oh, and my phone fell. Okay, all right, guys. I think we're gonna call it on this video, guys. I think I'm gonna do this alone. Fix that, because of course, why wouldn't I have thought of that? But yeah, I guess I'll go and do this, and next video you guys will see that is white, and these will be unwrapped, I'm sure. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. As always, man, y'all are killing it. We got the Yoda done, dude. Like, obviously it's a little dirty right now, but y'all see it. I ain't wet sand this. Hold on, where did that shine at? Sheesh. But yeah, guys, very happy with it. Do gotta fix that. Not even mad about it. The wind's going crazy. But thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.